My freedom money, good morning. I want to remind you that My Freedom Money, I'm going to add the my, is the name of my book that is coming out very soon, hopefully the beginning of next year. So 2025, that book will be coming out. That is also the name of my channel is My Freedom Money because we all need to get our freedom money, okay? So I did a video on my Janice Hylton channel talking about how people are depleting their 401k. So if you have not watched that video, please be sure to go over and check that video out. But people are depleting their 401k. I also got a few questions on that video that I wanted to answer. But before I started a new portfolio for this channel because I started one last year and that portfolio has grown to $7,000. And the next day after I showed you guys this portfolio of $6,999.30, the next day went up $500. So I decided that I wanted to start the portfolio over, for the purpose of this channel, because I don't want you to think that the portfolio goes up $500 every day. Okay. Another reason why I'm starting it over is because I put 3 stocks in this portfolio that I should not have put in it because those stocks go up and down a lot. So like one day it might go up 500. There are days it was up $600. And so I've been kind of fighting with myself for the last couple of months. Do I want to use this portfolio or should I start it over? So I decided that I wanted to start this portfolio over. And so the new portfolio only has $1,000 in it. $1,001. So I started it over, okay? I hope I'm not confusing you. I hope I'm not confusing you. But good morning and welcome, Freedom Money. I know it's been a while, but I have to start making some videos over here to grow this channel and in preparation of my book and to also help you get your freedom money. Now, on my other channel, the question was asked, what is My Freedom Money? That is the name of the book, okay? My Freedom Money is the name of my book and my channel. My Freedom Money is going to be a book teaching you about how to get out of debt, how to build wealth, how to invest, and also to tell you my life story of how our family crossed a financial milestone last year in 2023. But mainly to just give a different perspective of, you know, if I did it, you can do it too. Okay. A teenage girl having a baby at 16, being on welfare, but I had time tested principles that worked and also using the Bible to teach me how to save, get out of debt, and to invest. How many of you know the word investment is in the Bible? So if you want to learn more about that, be sure to subscribe to My Freedom Money channel. Thumbs up, share this video out, leave comments for me. I'll be over here a little bit more often now. And let me know what you think, okay? So we're going to be talking a lot more about investment. So again, this portfolio I started last year as the public portfolio. Public meaning is for your eyes, okay? Meaning this is not to be confused with my other portfolio. So I will never show you my other personal private investments, but I will show you this one. It's a smaller portfolio, and I've decided to start it all over. So I've gotten rid of that. And so now I started a portfolio and I put $1,000 in it because what I did was I got about $1,000 from this portfolio since I had invested about half of this money last year. I took $1,000 out and I'm starting over with $1,000. But you do not have to start with $1,000. You could start with $1. You could start with $10. Okay. So I started this portfolio on Monday, on Friday the 14th. Let's see what date that was. I started that on Friday. Yesterday was Monday. I took this other picture on Monday. So I started this portfolio on the 15th. And yesterday, Monday, it had already went up to $9.75. This is more like it. This is more where you can see that if you invest your money, and again, this is not financial advice. Where's my thing? Let me put a banner up. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. Let me make a new banner. Create banner. This is not financial advice. Because I don't want people to take this as financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I did. Okay. I'm showing you what I did. So I'm letting you know this is not financial advice. Oh my God. This is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. Hold on. Okay, there we go. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I am not a licensed financial advisor. I am not telling you to invest. I am only telling you what I did. Okay, I am telling you what I did. I am not telling you to put your money in the stock market. When you invest, you could lose your money. Money could grow and you could lose it. I am not giving you financial advice. I am not telling you to do what I did. I am only sharing with you what I did. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so but I've had a lot of people who've asked me questions on finances and money. I love to talk about money. I love to talk about investments. If I was not teaching on love and marriage and engagement, I would be teaching on finances. I think I am gifted to teach on finances. Okay. And so the Lord gave me the vision for my freedom money to share with people how to get your freedom money. What is freedom money? Freedom money is the money to do whatever you want to do. You want to buy a house, you have the money to buy it. You want to retire early, you can retire early. There is a movement on YouTube called Financial Independence, Retire Early. I just learned about them last year. I will be retiring early. I'll be retiring when I'm 52. Not because of the FIRE movement, but just because of how my retirement at my job goes. Okay. And I'll be able to retire at either 52 or 53. I think 52. I'll be retiring at 52. Okay. So one of the things that I did, I started very, very, very early when I was 24, 25, 26. My first job out of college was I started to invest in the stock market. Okay. I am 46 years old, so that means I've been investing for over 20 years. My husband started investing when he was about 30 years old. So put our investment together, we have about 50 years of investing together combined. And that has really, really helped us to get to that milestone we achieved last year, which I will tell you more about in my book, My Freedom Money. So I wanted to start a public portfolio. Public meaning is for your eyes to see what it's like to invest. Again, I am not telling you to invest. This is not financial advice. So I started a portfolio last year for your eyes purposes, but what I was trying to do was I was trying to get one stock of each, a share of each stock that I have in here. Okay. So I decided to start it over because again, I put 3 stocks in here that I should not have put in there. Okay. I totally forgot that that was the public portfolio, which is why now I have public in bold letters. So I decided to start over. So starting over on Friday, March the 15th, I started another portfolio with $1,000. And I name it public, meaning for your eyes. My freedom money is everywhere. You're saying, probably saying, Janice, well, where can I get this freedom money? It's everywhere. It is everywhere that you can look around. Yesterday, Monday the 18th, as you can see, this portfolio is up $9.75. Now, I don't know about you, but Chase, Bank of America, uh, none of them is giving me $10 in one day because of $1,000. Okay. I have our emergency fund in a high interest account, and I don't think in one day I get $10. I don't think so. Not in one day. So you can see, because I put my money in the investment account, how I am able to grow my money. Another thing about putting my money in the I gotta say me, is that you're beating inflation, right? Inflation is about 4%, and the S&P 500 return about 10% average yearly. Okay, sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower, but the average is about 10%. So by putting Janice, putting my money in the stock market, you can see that I am beating the rate of inflation. Some of you have your money sitting down in these banks that's giving you 0.0001%, girl. At least put it in the high interest. At least if I were you, I would put my money in a high interest account. I'll probably do another video on that about but you could just Google, if you're interested, you can just Google high interest rate savings account, and they will all pop up, and you read the reviews and so on and so forth. I have few that I use that I've been using for years. I love them, and I haven't had any issues with them. So you can just go ahead and Google that. So this will be our public portfolio that we're going to talk about, and we're going to use to grow, and I'm going to show you how I can grow my money. Now, in reference to the video I did on my other channel, there are a few questions that were asked that I want to answer. She said, Leonie said, I have to Google what is ETF. ETF is an exchange trading fund. Okay. You've heard of mutual funds, you've heard of index funds, and then there are ETFs. I will be doing a video to making the differentiation between the three. But if you're investing on your job in your 401k, 457, 403, then you've heard the word mutual funds. Okay. You might not have heard of ETF, but you've heard of mutual funds. So I'll be doing a video on that, clarifying the differences. Okay. What is a freedom money? Freedom money is the money you have to be able to do whatever you want to do. Also, the public account is the public investment account that I am showing you guys how I am investing my money and how my money is growing. So my freedom money is, you have freedom to do what you want to do. Okay. If you want to retire early, you want to buy a new car, you want to send your kids to college, you want to leave an inheritance for your children's children, you have the money to do so. That is what the Lord gave me, my freedom money. SSI being taxed, can you file tax return? I'm not sure. I don't know. That's a good question. I can look that up for you. Sis, is a 401k same as a pension? No, a 401k is not same as a pension. A 401k is where the company give you, if you put in, let's say, if you put in 5% in a 401k, a retirement defer. Okay, there's different. I'm going to do the difference between the 401k and the Roth IRA. But if you put, let's say 5% in, the company might say, well, I'm going to match 5% towards your retirement. A pension is not the same as a 401k. I have a pension and a 457. 457 is for government employees, so they do not match. It's just an opportunity. They hire a company, like say Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, to come in and offer their people another retirement vehicle. So I have a pension and a 457. It is not a 401k. My husband has a pension and a 401k, which means his job match his 401k. My job do not match because I have a 457. Okay, I'll be doing a video to make those clarifications for you. Okay, but I just wanted to show you the public portfolio of, now we are at $1,009.75 as of Friday. I put in $1,000. Oh, you guys were not seeing that. I put in $1,000, and to today it's up $10. So that's more like what I want to show. For those of you who are thinking about investments, again, this is not financial advice. I am not telling you to put your money in. I am only showing you what I have done and the things I have done to help me and my family to cross this financial milestone. I'll be retiring at 52. My husband is retiring whenever he says I tell him to retire. So we'll be retiring at the same time. Both my husband and I will be retiring at the same time because we have our freedom money. Okay, freedom. We don't have to go to work. We've invested, we've saved, so that we can. I'll be retiring early. My husband will be retiring at his regular age because he's just older than me. And then he said, baby, I ain't gonna retire. I'm gonna work. So now he's like, okay, baby, whenever you tell me to retire, that's when I'm gonna retire. All right, y'all. I love you. I want to remind you to check out my main channel, Janice Hylton Mentoring. Well, Janice Hylton. If you're not subscribed to my blog, please run over to Janice Hylton Mentoring and check out my blog. I also have some free samples of Dating is for Data. I have free sample of my husband profile course that begins April 6th if you want to sign up for that. I have a free ebook of the Leah in Me if you want to sign up for that. And thank you for those of you who are picking up my books. My #1 best-selling book, This Is How You Support Me and My Channel. The book, My Freedom Money, is not ready yet. It will be ready in early 2025. I absolutely love you. I adore you. Let me know if you have any questions below. Will I be putting money in the account today? I don't think so because I already put money in on Friday, okay? So I'll kind of see how my money is, all right? Again, this is just an extra. When I have a little bit of extra money, I'll put it in. But just so that I can show you guys. All right. I love you. I adore you, my darlings. Mwah. Talk to you later. Bye.